Hello! We are back and ready to explore some space using perspective. Check out these paintings by Vincent van Gogh and try to find the vanishing point. That is how he created space in this painting. Here's another piece he painted, and just try to find the vanishing point. He set up his pictures in a way that creates the illusion of space. And today we are going to do the same thing using 1-point perspective. So I have my guide here and I'm just going to follow along, and I'm going to start with a horizon line and a vanishing point. I'm going to do the same thing on a second piece of paper, so I'm going to do 2 drawings. Next, I'm going to create a big rectangle, and this is going to be my first building. So I'm going to create it above my horizon line. And on this drawing, I'm not going to use a ruler, just to show you the difference. Gonna add the road here. Next, I'm gonna add some parallel lines. Parallel lines. They should be just exactly next to each other. Now, this is what a lot of people do. They do a diagonal line. But again, we're gonna use a parallel line. And I'm going to connect the edge of my rectangle to the vanishing point. And then I'm going to erase the extra lines I don't need. If you draw lightly, it's going to be a lot easier to erase. So again, we started with a rectangle. Now I'm going to outline this so it's easier for you to see. And again, I have that parallel line. Now what I notice a lot of people do is they just, without a ruler, try to freehand it. But I'm just going to carefully follow these directions and continue using my ruler. It makes a difference, you'll see. Gonna add another rectangle, and that's gonna be my next building. Just showing you with a marker so it's easier to see. Again, I'm gonna connect those lines to the vanishing point. Add my parallel line for the end of the building. Okay, there's my piece without a ruler. Window lines. If I'm going to add windows or doors on this side of the building, they need to connect to the vanishing point. And I'm going to do pencil first, parallel lines on the end, parallel, and again, these need to connect to the vanishing point, so I'm just going to line it up. When you take your time and you use a ruler, it really makes a difference. Okay, so this is what I see people do when they don't use a ruler or follow the directions. Look at the difference. On this side of the building, you don't need to really connect to the vanishing point. So those lines don't need to go to the vanishing point. They're just facing. They just need to be horizontal and parallel. You can make the windows however big or however small you would like. Then I added some windows here. And again, these ones do need to connect to the vanishing point in order for the illusion to work. Parallel lines. Here we go without a ruler. What about this next side? Pencil first and another big rectangle. This one, I just added a curved top to the rectangle just to switch it up. And again, this side goes to the vanishing point. Parallel line. So let's get started with perspective and space.